This is Kip from Malek. So I'm going to give you 3 common work injuries that happen in the depths of winter. So we're in Ohio. It's freaking cold this winter. I don't know. This winter's rough, man. But if any of you guys work outside, my sympathies towards you. I'm sitting in my office like Bob Cratchit. I don't know. My heat's not great, but anyways. So 3 common injuries. One of the injuries is there's an obvious one, slipping on ice. It gets snowy, the snow melts, and then you get ice, and then you're walking to wherever you work, either warehouse or your place of employment, you slip, and then you get an injury. Is that a compensable claim? Generally, with those things, it matters where the injury happens. So what I mean is, like, if you parked in some parking lot. The issue is, does the employer have custody and control of that parking lot? If they do, even if they don't own it, it still might be a compensable claim. But that's the issue that's going to happen in those type of injuries. Where did the injury happen? Did it happen at the threshold of your job? Did it happen on the sidewalk? And again, is that in the custody control, or do the employees customarily, like, is that the only way to get into and out of the job? So that's that kind of analysis but those are common injuries, slipping and fall injuries at work. The second type of injury that happens a lot in winter because of the conditions of the roads are motor vehicle accidents. And the general rule is that if you go in a motor vehicle accident, like you're sliding and you go off the road and you get injured, does the going and coming rule apply to you? So the going and coming rule basically says that driving from home to work and from work to home, if you get in a motor vehicle accident in that circumstance, that is not a compensable workers' comp claim. There are exceptions to that. And obviously, if you're like an Amazon truck driver, the going and coming rule is not going to apply if you're delivering boxes, or if that's part of the job is you are on the road and that's a function of the job. But otherwise, it's generally the going and coming rule is going to apply. The third, maybe not so common injury, but occasionally you'll see this come up, is like when ice falls from things or snow falls from things, from heights, from roofs. And I'm trying to look at my buildings, I don't see anything. But if that happens, again, potentially a compensable claim. The analysis of where it happened is going to come up in that one as well. So, but these are 3 common workers' comp type injuries that happen in winter.